So the assignments for this week, I want to begin with a log. And we really want to look at this as the painless log. Either on your computer or on paper, whatever works best for you, I'm going to invite you to start a daily log. It doesn't have to be complicated. And I'm going to ask you to try to stop several times a day and notice. And if several times a day seems too much for you, then do what you can. I'd like you to catch yourself comfortable. I'd like you to notice when you're comfortable and stop when you're feeling comfortable, or you may need to stop and then notice that you're feeling comfortable. And rate your level of comfort on a 20-point scale, which means that -10, you would be in a tremendous amount of pain, more pain than you could possibly imagine, because there's no comfort to be found. And all the way up to a +10, which is every single part of your body just feels wonderful. The most amazing comfort you can feel. So catch yourself comfortable and notice, and make a short note about what's happening at that time, or afterwards when you look back. Make a note about what you might have been doing, what might have been going on, so you can begin to get an idea of what is helpful. And an example of this, as I've given you, is, put the date, and then I'm having a +4 here. So that means that's your level of comfort. It's at about a 4. And you notice that you feel that level of comfort. What you were doing was you did some stretching. And afterwards, you felt much more comfort. And then there might be another time that you might notice that you're having a hard time connecting with the comfort. It's at a -5. You may realize that that's when you're paying bills and noticing that. And then maybe you'll notice that you'll check in and you're neither feeling tremendously comfortable nor are you feeling tremendously uncomfortable. It's just kind of about a 0. Most of the time you'll be feeling something, because feeling lack of discomfort will help you feel more comfortable. But maybe you're at a 0 and you notice that you're kind of watching TV, you're at a 0. And that will give you an indication, if you're around a 0 for something, that it's not hurting you, it's not causing you discomfort, but it's not really helping you to be more comfortable either. And that's really important to know. So I'm going to ask you to think about this and put some time into it and see what you learn about yourself. You'll be able to talk about this when we get together on the phone. The next assignments, the next one, will be for you to really listen to and be comfortable with. So I'm going to invite you to take some time to make sure you're very comfortable as you can be in the way you're sitting, and you can even lean back, and when you're ready, then play the next part. And you don't have to look at the screen for the next part at all, because the next two assignments are going to be guided, some guided assignments, just helping you to learn more about your body with some breathing.